Now let us make the weeks that we had left empty. Now this is optional, like if you want to keep track week wise, you do it. If you do not want it, don't do it. What is necessary is at least days and dates, because based on that you can have a proper tracking, like on what date or on what day you are doing what. So I will start creating weeks. So in 1 week we have 7 days. So let's say I start from this, and after 7 I'll start second, something like this. So you will see that this one number, this particular number has to represent all these 7 days. And you will see that these are different cells. So in each cell you can't type 1, 1, 1, 1 because it will look little messy. So what we will do is we will merge or we will join all these cells to be just one cell. Keep in mind that we are joining them, we are not shifting them. Now, as you can see in the name box, this is D11, then E11, F11, G11, H11, I11 and J11. So from D11 to J11, let us merge or join all the cells. So what I will do is I will give the selection. Then within the alignment group, we have an option called merge and center. So let us click on it and you will see that now it looks like one big cell and it will be called D11. When you move your arrow or selection to the next cell, it will be K11. You wouldn't get E11 because your D11 is now representing entire area from D11 to J11, and it has all become a one cell now. So in same way you can also merge other cells, or what you can simply do is autofill. So first I will select these as well, and now after selecting these two I will drag it this way. Now here you will see it is going outside because we have only 3 days in the week 5. So what we will do is we will click on it again. We will only select these 3 and click on merge and center again. So now it is ready and we will merge all these cells, which will be acting like a heading for all these weeks, right? And here as you can see, days and dates are also not looking quite good. So what I will do is days will be like this, dates also we will merge, this also we will merge. So now it looks like what we had created here. So this is how you can merge or join the cells. Please remember that whenever you are merging or whenever you are combining, it has to be done in such a way that you do not lose your data. For example, if I type here 1, 2 and 3, and if I want to join all these 3, and if you expect that after joining you will have all the data which is 1, 2, 3, no. You will have only the data of the extreme left cell, which is in this case 1. So if I merge this, you will get a warning saying merging will only keep upper left value. When you click on OK, the only value which will remain is 1. So keep in mind that your data has to be in the first cell only of your selection, or you can simply select the cells first and then type in your data. Same way you can also merge it vertically. For example, if you type 1 here and let's say you want to merge these cells together, then you have to simply give the selection, click on this option, and you will see that they have got merged vertically. By clicking on this drop down, you will see there are more options. So let us quickly see these options. First is merge and center, which is also the default one. which merges the selection of the cell and aligns all the data in center of the cell. Then there is merge across, for which if we select and click on the drop down and select merge across, it will be merged, but your data will be moved to the extreme right alignment. Then next we have the simple merge, by applying which, as you can see, your data will be moved to the default alignment, which is right in the case of Excel. It will not affect your alignment in any which ways. Whatever alignment you have applied, it will stay the same. And last option, as you can see, is unmerge, which means unmerge whatever you had joined. So in this case, as you can see, from T4 to Y4 is merged, but in name box we have T4. The moment you click on unmerge, all the cells will be unmerged.